Nakel Industries Limited has achieved a decisive victory at the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, New Delhi. The case involved a dispute over the classification of exported goods and the validity of maize scrips used to offset import duties. Customs authorities alleged that Nakel Industries misclassified goods to claim a higher maize benefit, 3% instead of 2%, leading to a demand for additional duty, interest, and penalties. However, the tribunal ruled that since the maize scrips were valid at the time of import, the benefits could not be retrospectively withdrawn, even if the scrips were later modified or cancelled. The tribunal emphasized that the validity of scrips at the time of import is the key factor, and the benefit applies regardless of whether the scrips were used by the original holder or a subsequent purchaser. Case citation followed by the tribunal. The tribunal relied on the precedent set in APAR Industries vs. Commissioner of Customs, which established that import duty benefits obtained through valid scrips cannot be denied, even if the scrips are later cancelled or modified. This principle was also affirmed in KK Exports vs. CC New Delhi, Import and General, and Pankaj Chaudia vs. the Commissioner of Customs. This ruling provides clarity and security for exporters, confirming that benefits from valid maize scrips at the time of import are protected, setting a strong legal precedent for similar cases. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.